Poor guest interaction, ignoring or delaying greeting, guests not making eye contact or smiling, speaking rudely, or without enthusiasm. Inaccurate order taking, not listening. Carefully to guest requests, failing to repeat or confirm orders, forgetting modifications, for example, no onion, extra sauce. Slow or disorganized, service-long wait times between order and food delivery. Not checking back after food is served poor. Time management during peak hours. Lack of menu and product knowledge, not knowing dish ingredients or allergens, unable to recommend dishes, giving incorrect or vague answers.
Forgetting to upsell or suggest specials, missing opportunities to increase sales, not informing guests about promotions or daily specials. Poor cleanliness and hygiene, dirty uniforms, messy hair, bad breath, not washing hands regularly, and clean tables, floors, or restrooms. Being distracted or unfocused, using mobile phones during shifts, chatting with colleagues, while guests need help forgetting tasks or mismanaging priorities. Bad communication, miscommunication with kitchen or team, ignoring special requests or allergy warnings, not updating guests on delays or issues. Mishandling complaints, getting defensive instead of apologizing, ignoring feedback or brushing off complaints, not offering solutions or compensation when needed. Negative attitude, complaining in front of guests, showing boredom, stress, or frustration, being sarcastic, impatient, or dismissive. Poor table and environment maintenance, not clearing empty dishes, promptly sticky tables, or unclean menus. Key reminder: hospitality is about making people feel welcome, comfortable, and valued. Every small mistake or bad habit can take away from that experience. Tips to avoid mistakes: conduct, regular staff training, use checklists, and communication. Tools: led by example through professional behavior, always prioritize guest satisfaction.